Hello, my dear students. This is your guide and mentor, Mrs. Memuna Bongewala. इथैम्ब्यूटॉल के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन, बड़े क्वेश्चंस आते हैं इथैम्ब्यूटॉल पर और अलग अलग तरीके से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. इथैम्ब्यूटॉल इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ड्रग जिसकी स्टीरियो केमिस्ट्री पर क्वेश्चन आता है और बड़ा क्लियरली इट इज़ मेंशन दैट द डेक्स्ट्रो फॉर्म ऑफ द ड्रग इज एक्टिव. क्वेश्चन पूछा है व्हाट आइसोमर ऑफ इथैम्ब्यूटॉल इज यूज्ड एज एन एंटी टीबी एजेंट और बहुत सारे बुक्स में मेंशन्ड है दैट द डेक्स्ट्रो फॉर्म ऑफ द ड्रग इज एक्टिव. It is biologically active, right? Whereas the levorotatory form or the meso compound जो yes ethambutol में बनता है, they are not so potent or so much biologically active. एक और interesting बात about these drugs is that all the forms, चाहे ethambutol का dextro हो, meso हो, all of them side effects में they are all बराबर, but activity में the dextro form is active. ठीक है, बट यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में दे डिड नॉट आस्क अबाउट डेक्स्ट्रो, इंस्टेड दे आस्क्ड अबाउट द एसएस, द आरएस, द आरआर एंड नन. नाउ व्हाट इज ऑल दिस, राइट? दे आर वेज ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटिंग द स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री ओनली, राइट? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस दैट फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई राइट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इत एंड बुट ऑल, have a look at the structure. It, C2H5 and here I have 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 CH2OH, right? But all, right? It is CH2 is nitrogen, is another nitrogen, and I have a butol, right? This is my ethambutol, the structure of ethambutol. Now this ethambutol as such, which as I have written this ethambutol, right? Specifically writing it like this so that I can make the stereoisomers. My dear students, we should understand that this isomer is a meso compound. They are nothing but mirror images to each other. Please do watch my video on what is a meso compound and whether, yes, of course, I know that you all know that meso compound is optically inactive, right? Please do watch this video on meso compound. Now suppose for this meso compound, even if I write the mirror image, it will remain a meso compound only and hence it will be optically inactive. Now let me make the enantiomer for this ethambutol. Have a look at the enantiomer. What I can do is I can just flip one C2H5 CH2OH and NH CH2, right? CH2 NH C, and as it is whatever it was here, I am writing it here also. I have just done a flip, right? I have made an enantiomer of this, right? This is now if I write the mirror image for this particular, then I will get something like this: CH2OH C C2H5 NH CH2 CH2 NH C C2H5 CH2OH. Okay, so these are the different forms of the ethambutol. I just want to know which is the SS form. And what is the SS form? Please do watch my video on absolute configuration and relative configuration, wherein I have taught all the Kahn-Ingold method to find out what is S and what is R. ठीक है, देखते हैं यहाँ पर. Have a look at this compound. See, there are two chiral centers here. This is 1 and this is 2. And I want to define the stereochemistry for both of them. ठीक है, so this carbon, say for example, if I am putting the Kahn-Ingold Prilog rules, then this will have the first priority NH. This will be priority number 2 and this will be priority number 3. So this will be rotating the light in the anti-clockwise direction and hence I call it as S. Again, if I look at this carbon, this is my nitrogen 1, this is 2 and this is 3. If I rotate, again it is going in the anti-clockwise direction, again this is S. So this form is SS form. But my dear students, one should remember that though it appears as if SS is on the opposite side, though the overall effect of this molecule is dextrorotatory, and this is that molecule which is active. If I look at the other enantiomer, have a look at this. This is by, as per the Kahn-Ingold-Prelog rule, this is NH, this is second and this is third. It is going on the clockwise direction, hence this carbon is R. Then another one here, 1, 2 and 3, again it is going in the clockwise direction, hence this is also R. And but this is total effect is it is levorotatory, hence this form is not active, whereas this form is active. Whereas if I look at the meso compound, look at this 1, 2 and 3 as per the priority, this is going in the anti-clockwise, matlab it is S. And have a look at this carbon, 1, 2 and 3, this is going in the, again it is going in which direction? 1, 2 and 3 is going in the anti-clockwise direction. This is going in the clockwise, so this is R and this is S. So it is R and S. The meso is R and S. Dextro here is S and S, whereas levo is R and R. So the SS form of the isomer of ethambutol is active. Yes, it is fun to learn at BCC. I hope this concept is clear to all of you.